In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Selenium for Python on Windows 10. Specifically, we're going to install the WEBDRIVER for the Edge Chromium browser. Generally, these steps are identical for any WEBDRIVER you install. The biggest difference is that Microsoft maintains the Python Selenium API for the Edge Chromium browser. I've used the Selenium WEBDRIVER for Firefox, Chrome, and Edge is by far my favorite. I've just had much better luck using it for web scraping. The headless mode works great, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for a tool to automate the web browser. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is install the Edge browser if you haven't already. You'll find a download link in the video description. After you've installed the browser, you'll need to get the WEBDRIVER version that matches the version of the browser that you're using. To figure out your browser version, on the upper right-hand corner of your browser, click on the ellipsis. Then click on Help and Feedback. Then click on About Edge. Take note of the version information. Now that you know the version you need, you can download the matching version from the link provided in the video description. Once you've downloaded the file, you'll need to extract it to a location that's accessible from your system environment variable path. To figure out where you can put this file, or to add another location to path, type variable into your search bar, then click Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on the button for Environment Variables. Go down to System and Variables, and click on Path. Then click Edit. If there are any existing locations that you can use in this list, go ahead and drop the file into that folder. If you want to map another location, then go ahead and insert it here. I'm going to use the common folder in App Data. The specific folder doesn't matter as long as it's in a folder that's accessible from this list. Once you've either added a location or picked an existing one, unzip the file into that folder. As I mentioned in the introduction, Microsoft maintains its own version of the Python Selenium API, so instead of using pip install Selenium, which is the normal installation path, use pip install msedge-selenium-tools, and I recommend using the pip command that's posted on the msedge site. You can copy and paste it into your shell to get the exact recommended version. Now that you've installed your browser, the driver, and the Python package, it's time to test the installation to make sure everything is working as it should. Open up your shell and start up an instance of Python. Now type in, from msedge.selenium_tools, import edge and edge options. In order to start up the Chromium version of Edge, you need to specify it with options, and this is why we've imported edge options. So type in options equals edge options to create an options object. Then set the use Chromium flag to true. Now you can create a driver instance with the edge class, passing in options equals options. Now try navigating to a web page, such as my GitHub site. Driver.git, and then pass in the URL. Excellent. Make sure you check the links in the comments to see the Microsoft documentation. It's actually very good. So if you're a complete beginner, this is a great place to start. Post any questions or comments below the video. I'd be happy to answer any questions if I'm able. I'm planning on posting several web scraping projects in the future, and many of them require web browser automation, hence this video. And that's all there is to it. If you liked the video and want to see more in the future, click the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.